So listen, guys, don't let a stock take your day away. Don't give it that power. It's in your hands. I'm not just talking to you, Imran. I'm talking to everyone. Don't let a stock take your day away. It's in your hands. It's better to kill it, step to the sidelines. What's the matter with that? Oh, shoot, I'm down 200. Let me get out of this thing. Step to the sidelines. What's the matter with that? Don't sit there and let a stock take your life away. You've got Monday morning, most of you have $300 worth of life, and you let a stock take that away from you? Take your whole life away from you today? Why? Why would you give a stock that power? And you have the power to stop it, to kill it. Why would you let someone come into your home and take your stuff while you're just looking at it? Shoot them. Because I'm in Florida, man. I'm in Florida. I'm in a state, right, where they encourage that everyone has guns. This state that I live in, they encourage gun ownership. And they encourage that you shoot to kill. That's right. And it's open. Shoot to kill. Someone comes in your house, invade your house, shoot to kill. Don't shoot to hurt them or harm them. Kill them. Pestana, yeah. Pestana knows. Pestana knows. They want everyone to have guns. The philosophy here is that if everyone has guns, everyone stays honest. Right? So if you would not let someone invade your home and take your stuff while you sit there and watch them, why would you let a stock take your life, your $300 of life, while you sit there and watch it? Why? Don't do that. Kill it. You can always get back in if there's another setup. Just kill it. Don't let a single stock ever take your life away. Tell me you understand this, traders. Tell me you understand this. You got it? That's your attitude you gotta have. Your money in this game is your life.